everyone, and welcome one more time to the AIT podcast. Thank you very much once again for tuning in. And the first activity I am bringing you is called body spelling. Now, this activity can be used with students of all ages and all levels. And this is an activity that you can do for practicing spelling and reviewing vocabulary. Now, how does it work? You will ask your students to grab a piece of paper. The teacher will choose a topic, and then the teacher will choose a word that he or she will spell only using their fingers. Now, let me give you an example. What is this word? If you have guessed it, please let me know in the comment section below. The teacher spells the word. The first student to write it down on a piece of paper and show you the word will get a point. After that, you can choose another student at random to be the one to spell the words. At the end of the activity, the one who has guessed the most words will be the winner.